Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to wrap the region in here. So we have two functions. So the wrap should be like this. About 1 plus x squared, the wrap should be like this. About 9 minus s squared, the wrap should be like this. So we have y, we have s. We need to find the intersection in here and here. The area we need to concentrate, that's about this one. So we have 1 plus s squared equals to 9 minus s squared. So this one we put on the left, number 1 we put on the right. So we have 2s squared equal to 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 we have 8. We divide both sides by number 2. So 8 divided by 2 we have 4. The square root of number 4 we have number 2 and s equal to negative number 2. And now we need to put inside the double integrals. About dy. So dy that's about this one. So we look carefully on the graph, we see that y between 1 plus s squared and 9 minus s squared. This one is about 9 minus s squared. This one is about 1 plus s squared. So this is about the bottom. This one is about the top. So we put 1 plus s squared in here. And 9 minus s squared. Next, this one is about negative number 2. This is about number 2 in here. So this is for s. So the bounds for ds in here between from negative number 2 to positive number 2. And now we need to calculate about double integrals. We just have only dy. So in here we don't have y. That means the integration of this one in here, that's about y. And we put the bounds from 1 plus s squared to 9 minus s squared. So we put this one go in here, this one go in here. So we have 9 minus s squared, negative of 1 plus s squared. So 9 minus 1, we have 8. Negative s squared, negative s squared, we have negative 2s squared. And now we need to multiply each order. So we have 16. Number 2 with 8, we have 16. Number 2 with negative number 2, we have negative 4s squared. 8 with negative s squared, we have negative 8s squared. Negative s squared with negative 2s squared, we have positive 2s to the power of 4. dx. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of 16, you have 16x, negative number 4, negative number 8. This one, we have negative number 12x squared. The integration of s squared, we have 12s to the power of 3 over 3. And the last one is about 2s to the power of 5 over 5. And we put the power from negative number 2 to positive number 2. And now we can get the final answer. And this is about 512 over 15. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.